Hey everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Lisa. I am your host for this video, and as you can see, I think I was able to squeeze in one last video before I pull out the pumpkins. I have a couple of new items that I want to share with you just in case you want to get your hands on them. Let's start with these beautiful curtains. OMG. I love these drapes. I'm going to call them drapes because they're so elegant and so luxurious looking. So these are from 2-Page Curtains. You can shop 2-Page Curtains from 2-Page Curtains website. You can shop them on Wayfair. You can shop them on Amazon. And they're even on TikTok. But they gifted me these for a collaboration from Instagram. I picked out a linen set, and I picked out the non-darkening because I like my space to be light even in the winter and the fall. I like a light space. I don't like dark rooms. Then I picked out this embroidery design on the ends of the curtains. Let me tell you how the story behind the curtains was. When I first hung them up, I called my friend Gloria. I'm like, Gloria, there's something going on with these drapes. I'm just not feeling them. I had them up there wrong. She goes, Felisa, you need to take them down and you need to hang them up the right way. So she FaceTimed me and showed me how to hang the drapes. So shouts out to my friend Gloria for looking out for me and not let me post those drapes the way that I had them looking. I wish I could show y'all the video. But she helped me, so I was able to figure out the proper way to hang my drapes. So they're from 2-Page Curtains. I have the white linen. I'm going to have them linked down below. There's also a coupon code that I'm going to have linked down below just in case you're interested in checking out these drapes. So they're very beautiful, basically. And these are the memory foam. Like, there's a memory pattern, not memory foam. So they, like, if you get them out of shape and then you put them back in shape, you know, they just fall back in space. Look, watch this. So I don't have anything up there keeping them, you know, from getting out of shape, but look, and all I do is just do this and the drapes just fall right back in place. So I love that about these drapes. And I have the 50-inch wide by 102. Now I could take these drapes up a couple of inches because the way that you hang them, there's like a plastic clip that you can either bring the drape up or you can bring it down. Right now I have it on the lowest setting, so my drapes are kind of like puddling here on the floor, which is kind of not what I really wanted them. I wanted them like that. But for now, this is fine. I can always change them, change it out. But yes, I am loving those drapes. I think I've shown you this vase. This vase, it wasn't in his room the last, I think I had the white one, but it was gifted to me by Z Gallery collaboration over on Instagram. These, I think, is from, I don't know if these are from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or this Christmas Warehouse. But I've had these for quite some time. Of course, these are fall related, but they snuck out into the vase. So they're in a summer related video. And this I actually had for like a year or so, and I never had a chance to use them. So it worked out fine. When I got those drapes, I'm like, oh, let me find those little black and white cubes. My end tables from Homary lamps are from Z Gallery. Let me show you the other new item that I have, these wall sconces. So I was trying to be a little different, little unique, and bring in some modern glam touches to this space. And I think I pulled it off with these drapes. Not with the drapes. I know I pulled it out with the drapes, but I think I pulled it off with the actual wall sconces. So they're from Amazon. They are super heavy. And let me show you how it's hung on the wall just in case you want to know. So basically, it's very heavy, as I stated. All you have to do is like screw that little piece there in the wall, and then it has this little area back here. Okay, so what I really like about the wall sconces is that they light up. You know, your girl love some light up stuff. Okay, now for some reason it comes with 2 remotes. And but you can also control it by the little switch on the side. There's a little switch on the side just in case you don't have batteries for the remotes. But yep, there's a switch on this side too. And then you charge them. You see the little USB charging station there on the side, which is awesome. But each one is controlled by a separate remote. Like that one turned that one off, and then the other one will turn the other one off and on. I wish that you can use one remote for both, but you have two remotes here. But nevertheless, I don't care. I love it. I love them, especially since I can control them from the side. I don't even care to use the remote. You can also control the temperature. Let me show you. Let's see. You can cut it on, this is for that one. That's on the 100%. No, that's the 10%. And then I'm going to put it on the 100%. You saw how it got lighter. And then that's the 50%. I'll turn it back on the 100% there. Yes. So let's make sure this other one is on 100%. Yeah, it's already on 100%. I pulled out some pampas grass from my shed. This is some black pampas grass. And then I pulled out this black and white vase from my shed as well. I moved these metallic silver pillows from my sofa to my chairs. By the way, my chairs are from Wayfair and they're back in stock. You can get a set of 2 or you can get a set of 1. I think I may have purchased them separately because it ended up being cheaper if you just got them separately versus the set. I think they were like $240 or something for 1, and I think it was like almost $600 if you bought the set. Coffee table from TOV, and I actually pulled out these candle holders here. These are from, I think these may be from Ross. No, these are from Home Goods. I still have the price on there. And this is from At Home, and I purchased that during the springtime. So let me pan around to my entryway, which is kind of sort of the same. The only thing I did was I pulled my ellipse vase out off of my dining table, and I have it here on my entryway. And the ellipse vase from Z Gallery, and the lamps and the floor lamp is from Z Gallery. And this console table here is from Wayfair, and my area rugs and my runners also from Wayfair. I didn't mention that my pillows, this bigger ball pillow here is from Z Gallery, and the smaller one is from Amazon. And then I have another Z Gallery pillow here, as well as a Z Gallery. This is like a crocodile throw. I've had all of this stuff. I had the pillow and the throw here for a few years. This I had maybe a few months, and this maybe a few months as well. So that sums up this space, and I hope that you all enjoyed the video. Again, I'll have the link down below to everything that's linkable, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.